How to get Explorer page on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this tutorial, we'll show you how you can find the new Explorer page on TikTok application. So this section is similar to Instagram's Explorer page. Go ahead and open your TikTok application, and you can go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and then simply search for TikTok application. If you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. Once you have the latest version of TikTok application, you will be able to access all new features, including the Explorer tab. Now open the TikTok, log into your account, and there you will see the option of Explorer that is beside the following option. Tap on that, and you will see the page of the Explorer. Click on it to discover new videos based on your interest and viewing history. This helps you find new creators and content as well. And if you do not see any Explorer page after updating, it might not be available in your country yet, or you can simply go ahead and report this problem to TikTok. Wait for a few days or weeks and keep updating TikTok regularly, or you can also try uninstalling the TikTok application and reinstall it, and you will see it soon in your feed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.